In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort and filter items on the dashboard or project page. When you're working inside a dashboard or project area, it's very easy for things to become crowded, especially as more files or projects start to build up over time. That's why sorting and filtering are so useful. They help you quickly organize what you're seeing and make it much easier to find exactly what you need without scrolling through everything manually. To begin, go to your dashboard or project page. This is the main area where your items are listed. Once you're there, look toward the top of the page and find the Sort option. Clicking Sort will open the available ways you can organize your items. You can choose to sort by name if you want everything arranged alphabetically. This is helpful when you already know the title of the item you're looking for and want to locate it faster. You can also sort by date, which is useful if you want to see the newest or oldest items first. If you've recently worked on something and want to get back to it quickly, sorting by date is often the easiest option. Another option is views. Sorting by views can help you identify which items have received the most attention, which can be especially useful when reviewing performance or prioritizing popular content. You can also sort by size, which is helpful when you want to find larger files, smaller files, or simply understand how storage is being used across your projects. If sorting alone doesn't narrow things down enough, you can also use the filter option. Filter gives you a more focused way to search through your items based on specific categories. For example, you can filter by status to view only items that match a certain stage or condition. This is useful when you only want to see work that is completed, in progress, or in another relevant state. You can also filter by privacy, which helps separate public and private items depending on what you need to review. And if your projects use tags, filtering by tag is a great way to instantly group related items together without having to rename or move anything. In general, sorting changes the order of everything on the page, while filtering reduces what appears so you only see matching items. Using both together can save a lot of time and make your workspace much easier to manage. That's how to sort and filter items on the dashboard or project page.